A lot of people are living in fear right now because of this AI revolution that is going on. Vanhu vakawanda vari kurarama vachitya vachifunga kuti in 3 years time, in 4 years time, tichange tisisina mabasa, tichange tisisina kwekushanda. But if you're one of those people who think AI is going to replace all of the jobs, then history tells us that you might probably be wrong. Ngatimbotarisai back in the 1980s, pakaintroduce kwamacomputers necompany yainzi IBM. Vanhu vakawanda vaishanda maoffice jobs, they lived in fear because they were afraid kuti macomputers achavapedzera mabasa avo. Macomputers achavareplace pamabasa avo avaiita. We had people like accountants, we had secretaries, we had a lot of different departments evanhu vaitotya kuti the moment computers pacha introduced mabasa achapera. But then what then happened? The thing is, let us take a look at maybe my accountants, for example. When the computers were introduced, my accountants vaiswera kuti vakaenda kubasa voswera vachiita complex calculations, and you'd find out kuti zvimwe zvinhu zvavaiita calculations avaiita, they would take hours and hours vachitry kuti come up with just one solution. Pakaintroduce computers, they would then start doing all that work ekuti calculations avaiita SI in a space of about 3 hours. It was now being done by a computer in a space of 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So productivity yaka improve. But you find out kuti accountants akaramba ari pabasa. You find out kuti secretaries akaramba ari pabasa. Saka chakachinja pakaintroduce computers. The thing that changed is not kuti vanhu vakareplaced, but the way they work ndo yakachinja. Ukatarisa accountants, instead of kuti vaswere vachiita calculations, all the calculations was now being done nemacomputers. Ravo basa konga kwako kumeka sure kuti vari kumonitor kuti whatever outcome yabuda iri correct here. Vanga vakuita sort of kuverify the outcome yazobuditswa nemacomputers, and they were now being given some of the other valuable tasks ekuti vaiite, because now the role reungoro wamacalculations rese zvanga zvakuitwa nemacomputers. So zvanga zvakuitwa nemacomputers ndezvekuti it made work easier. Because my computers were faster, they were even cheaper for the businesses, for the companies, and they were even more accurate. Because if you look at it, as a normal human being, pamwe pacho unoneta uchitoshanda. Calculations anenge akarebesa zvekuti you are prone to making human errors, but all these errors were eliminated pakushandisa computers. So what then really happened is kuti, of course, every technological advancement ichatoita vanhu vanoluza mabasa, but if you position yourself well, then you are in the best position yekuti basa racho hauriluze. So this is what I want to really explain. So if we take a look at two people, right, back in the 80s, vese vaiita accounts, vese vaiita accounting, and vachiita accounting vakadaro, let's say one is called Alex, the other one is called John. Alex na John vari kuita calculations avo every day, vanoenda kubasa voita calculations and everything, normal job rinongoitwa nema-accountants. And pakuintroduce computers, there is one person, Alex anobva ati aiwa isusu ngatirambe tichingoita zvataiita, macomputers ana basa vachamashandisa, but inini I'm going to perfect my skill, I'm going to perfect everything in accounting. And then we have John ari kuona kuti aiwa, okay, I might not be in favor of computers ari kuuya, but here's the thing, it's inevitable. Computers ari kuzongoshanda either way. So zvinobva zvaita John ndezvekuti John anobva adzidzira kutanga kushandisa computers. Already he has the skill yeaccounting yaangagara achishandisa pabasa, but now akudzidzira kushandisa computer. So zvichaitika pabasa ndezvekuti computer yauya, basa raitwa naJohn naAlex harichadi vanhu 2, rakungoda munhu 1, because computer yakuteka most of the calculations aiitika. So zvichaitika ndezvekuti pabasa vachazongotarisa kuti okay, so John naAlex, they both have the same skill, but with them having the same skill, one anogona kushandisa computer, one agona kushandisa computer, of which pabasa patiri takuda kushandisa macomputers. So automatically Alex akubuda pabasa, not because haagoni accounting, not because haana skill, but because haagoni kushandisa computer. John akuramba ari pabasa because iye agara that same skill, but also he now knows how to use a computer. You see, so this is the same thing chiri kungoitika parikuya AI. In fact, pakaintroducwa ai yanga yagara hayo iripo kudhara, yaishanda zvimwe zvinhu zvekuti it never really interacted with humans and their daily lives sezvayakuita izvezvi, but yanga yagara iriko, haina kuuya 3 years ago 4 years ago. AI was always there. Facial recognition yatinoshandisa iyi pamafoni haina kuuya 3-4 years ago, yakauya kubva kudhara, and AI technology was involved pakugadzira that AI recognition inoshandiswa pamafoni. Now let's just look at today's world. Now we have a new technology. Takungoiti new hedu because yazonyanya kushanda izvezvi, yazonyanya kuspreada kuvanhu kupinda muvanhu izvezvi. We have AI that has been introduced. And with AI, zvichaitika ndezvekuti inini my belief is AI is not going to replace people, but people who know how to use AI are the ones who are going to replace people. It's as simple as that. Because AI zvairi kuzoita, it's coming to automate matasks tanga tagara tichiita. Saka kana inini kana ndanga ndagara ndine task yandinoita, let's say kubasa, and it's a repetitive task yekuti I'm always repeating something, that task is going to be done by AI. But then I still need to verify whatever AI has done, because AI inogona produce my errors. I still need to be the person who's validating the output yaitwa ne-AI. And at the same time, my companies cannot solely rely on AI alone. Why? Because AI inogona kuita basa. But let's say inini as a company, I'm offering a service, and then I use AI for my clients. If something then happens, I am the one who's responsible, not the AI, right? So because I know good responsibility in any, I also do not want to be sued. I don't want to be paying lots of money just because my mistakes at one AI and I didn't have the people to monitor the AI and to validate the output on AI. So what we are simply saying is, people say I can atichadi graphics designers, because my graphics designers taukwanisa kungogadzira maflyer nemaposter edu ne-AI. But have you actually noticed maflyer anogadzirwa nevanhu vanga vagara vasina the skill of graphics designing? It's simply not the same. Because here's the thing, munhu agara aiita graphics designing, or munhu agara aingoita, let's just say photography in general, ngatingotaura nezvephotography because more people will relate. Munhu aiita photography and akanzi generate an image with AI, he has the knowledge that he has in terms of photography. So the prompting yachaisa iyaya anditika achashandisa some of the components ekuphotography kuti achati pakugadzira image, let it be aperture, ngaive ne-aperture yakati, shutter speed yakati, all these things you don't even know, but they are good describe to AI kuti shandisa lens, let's say rakashandiswa lens 18mm or what, anditika ari kushandisa all this knowledge yanga agara nayo in photography to make a prompt to generate an image. Iwewe on the other hand, you don't know anything about photography, uri kungonzi generate something, uri kungoenda pa AI generate, make it look real, 4K, what. You see, it's very generic because you do not have that other knowledge. So my suggestion would be, don't be that person where you're trying to fight against AI, but be in that position where you accept that AI is coming and AI is going to be the next big thing. So with your skill, how can you incorporate AI? How can you just learn the basics, basic concepts of using AI, of prompting AI to produce the desired results? Ungogona kunge uri pa that position yekuti, okay, with what I know, with what I do, how can I incorporate AI? Something like that. Don't be the person wekuti TD AI, because AI is coming, and that is the thing. And if you don't want to use AI, it's fine. But most probably, someone else is going to learn to use AI, someone with the same skills as you, and that person is the one anogo replace. Not good AI no replace. AI mbo replace, but munhu anogona kuishandisa ndiye munhu anogona kukureplace. So inini, what I would say is, usavhundutsirwe with all this trend iri kuitika yekuti vanhu vanenge vachingoti AI is going to replace you, like all these negative things that are being brought up on social media in terms of AI. Zvikunzi AI ichakureplace, AI tinenge takugara tisina mabasa. No, be on the other side where you're looking at this positively kuti, oh, it's fine, we have seen this before. Zvakamboitika pakaintroducwa internet chaiyo, pakaintroduced calculators, pakaintroduced computers. This is the same thing chakaitika. But how did the people adapt? This evolution, and it will favor people who know how to adapt. All you need to do is to adapt. You don't really need to know everything about AI. You don't really need to know all the AI agents are able. No, all you need to do is, for now, I would advise, start with the basics. Understand prompting. And if you can find my YouTube videos, if you have the money to pay for a course, find a course about AI prompt engineering. Understand the basics of a prompt. Understand when you are prompting, because the thing is, mapiwa ChatGPT mapiwa task yekungoti mugadzire chinhu chakafanana. You find out kuti people have different results, and these results are based on the prompt yawaisa. And inenge chinzi prompt iya ndo zvatinotypa patinoenda ChatGPT zvatinotypa zvazvo. That is what a prompt is. And for AI to give you the best results, you need to know how to make the best prompt. You need to know how to give AI. AI needs context. You can give context to an AI. It needs to be assigned a role chayo. And all these things are things that you can learn if you just find yourself a course, a small short course about AI prompt engineering. And this is actually another kind of job that has emerged in the markets. If you just go online, if you're searching for a job, you can go to AI prompt engineering. It's now a new job that has been created, because a lot of people know there's AI, but not a lot of people know how to prompt AI the proper way, right? You're not going to pure AI on a music video. We've seen a lot of musicians actually some music videos AI, but you can't produce it. Why? Not because you don't know what it's AI. You know it's AI, but you just don't know how to do it. Right? So I'm not saying go and start learning how to make my music videos or what, but I'm just saying, just be someone who you understand AI, you know how to use it. You might not use it every day, but just be someone who you just know how to use it, so that in the event your skill punish introduce AI in terms of what you are doing, maybe it's your job, your profession and stuff like that, you at least know how to use AI. And I think that will be the best positioning that you can put yourself in going forward. So let me know if you think what I'm saying makes sense, or if you think as make as sense. You can just let me know. And also, what is your contribution? What do you think about this? And I'm thinking, when it comes to this AI thing, I don't know. Maybe we can create a community where people are discussing topics such as this. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is a good idea, and maybe we can create a Facebook group or a WhatsApp group, whichever fits you, whichever suits you, a WhatsApp group or WhatsApp channel where people are just there to discuss anything to do with AI. People can meet up, people can have conversations around all these things and see what's the best possible way we can move forward. Maybe you want to start with AI. You just know, maybe I want to know how AI works. I need to do something with AI, but you don't know, but there's someone, I need that knowledge, who can easily assist you. So let me know if it's something that you may want, and definitely on the next video I'll make sure some links in my groups acho WhatsApp on the bio. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.